If you're looking to share an Excel spreadsheet with others using CrankWheel, stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll be able to share your Excel files in real time without any hassle, and you might discover a few shortcuts you didn't know about. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to start by setting up a CrankWheel account if you haven't already. It's free to sign up, and you can do this directly on the CrankWheel website. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new session. This is where you'll share your Excel spreadsheet with others in real time. Next thing, you'll want to upload your Excel file. While CrankWheel is great for screen sharing, the beauty of it is that you don't actually have to upload your file to a server. You'll be able to share your screen, and anything that's open on your computer, including your Excel spreadsheet, will be visible to your audience. No confusing upload process involved. The third thing, after you've started your session, CrankWheel provides you with a simple link. Share this link with the people you want to view your spreadsheet. They don't need any special software, just a browser, and they can join instantly. This is where CrankWheel really shines because it's fast and doesn't require a complicated setup for your viewers. Next thing, you can also allow them to see updates as you work. As you make changes to your Excel file, your audience will see the changes in real time. This is perfect for those moments when you need to present data dynamically or collaborate with others while showing a spreadsheet on the fly. The fourth thing, CrankWheel allows for one-click calls. This means that if you're on a call with someone and they need help viewing your file, you can share your screen with just one click. It's super intuitive, and you won't waste time fumbling through settings during your session. Now, here's where I need to be honest with you. While CrankWheel is useful for live screen sharing, it does have its limitations. You might find that for larger files or more advanced functionalities, there are other platforms out there that could serve you better. But the main thing is CrankWheel does exactly what it promises in the simplest, quickest way possible, which is a big win. But here's the deal, if you're looking for a more robust solution, particularly if you want advanced features like better file sharing capabilities or integrations with cloud storage, I've got some alternatives for you. There are tools that can handle larger Excel files more effectively and offer better collaboration features overall. And here's the best part, you can get access to them through exclusive links that give you extended free trials and extra benefits. So, if you're ready to check out these alternatives that may better suit your needs, make sure you follow the link in the description. You'll get the best deals available and extra perks exclusively for our viewers. That's all for today. Make sure to check out the links in the description for CrankWheel and the other software options I mentioned. Happy sharing!